Have you ever found yourself captivated by the sheer skill and precision of a master at work? In this video, prepare to be amazed by the most satisfying clips of workers doing their tasks with unparalleled expertise. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Removing old vinyl flooring becomes fun and simple with a dedicated removal machine. This is how you perfectly flip 8 eggs smoothly. This talented excavator operator demonstrates his precision by flipping empty bottles, showcasing advanced machine control. A fast-working man effortlessly tosses empty bottles behind him. The mesmerizing effect of an alligator print paint roller makes it incredibly satisfying to watch. Dark powder-like substances are expertly applied to hair, creating the illusion of thickness and effectively concealing bald spots. Root plants are meticulously placed into the soil by a precision machine designed to create the ideal planting space. These machines efficiently distribute hay to hungry cows, showing cutting-edge agricultural innovation. Precise sewing machines delicately weave hair into doll heads, showcasing meticulous craftsmanship. Excavator, a worker skillfully smooths wet cement from above. Plastic stadium chairs undergo revitalization with a torch, restoring their original color and condition. Workers use specialized saws to effortlessly cut through multiple layers of fabric. Workers utilize an innovative semi-automated system to efficiently harvest watermelons. Plain white volleyballs undergo a stunning transformation with captivating custom patterns using hydro dipping. Mattresses undergo compression, vacuum sealing, and rolling at the factory for efficient compact packaging and shipping. fascinating example demonstrates the process of factory sealing pillows. In an ice cream factory, a worker skillfully fills empty tubs with ice cream, creating an entrancing display. Precise molding machines carve intricate designs into cylinder-shaped wood. A worker expertly throws boxes onto a pile, showcasing exceptional focus and skill. Metal brick molds are applied to wet cement to create a stamped concrete effect that mimics brickwork. Using a squeegee to clean the outdoor glass menu of a fast food restaurant transforms the task into a satisfying experience. A machine precisely applies layers of wet cement, showcasing automation in construction. An excavator methodically clears ivy from a wall, showcasing the machine's versatility. Versatile tools create faux wood patterns on metal posts, offering a unique aesthetic. Butchers expertly trim fat from cowhide using specialized knives. Carving granite using a jet of water at high pressure helps achieve detailed artistry. Brick production is optimized using wire cutters for clay slicing. In a bakery factory, an automated machine accurately positions balls of dough on a conveyor belt for baking. Smooth spoons receive their hollowed contour from the press of a shaping device. Baking pans are formed from metal sheets through a shaping technique known as stamping. Creating spindles for stairways entails feeding bars into a patterned wave generator. Dough filled with sweet bean paste is molded into intricate patterns to form mooncakes by this machine. Broad roads freshly laid with cement are skillfully leveled by a road finishing machine. The bricklaying system arranges and constructs pathways requiring little to no human input. This is the cutting-edge equipment used for fence production. These workers are loading filled sacks into the truck, but luckily they don't have to do the heavy lifting because this extended truck arm does it for them. This operator would probably have made an excellent surgeon with the precision he uses to slice palm trees using an excavator. Have you ever imagined how they make smooth spherical balls from wooden blocks? Well, you can just use a hole cutter. Tree removal just got easier with this tractor that looks like it has shovels attached to it. This overhead arm helps lift heavy bags of cement with ease. Here is how to remove the husk of a coconut without doing any serious cutting. This tractor automatically loads bales of hay along its path into the carriage, reducing manual labor. This tractor helps railway workers lay the railway lines accurately. Two pieces of cloth tied across a conveyor belt might look simple, but this clever design effectively flips the cans as they roll. Wooden planks are quickly converted into round rods using this tool. Workers use a specialized vacuum to harvest dandelions from the field. Large copper wires that need to be recycled are cut in one swift motion using a sharp cutter. For those who find it difficult to peel hard-boiled eggs, this machine will spare you the stress. To print 2D graphics on 3D objects, this printer transfers the design from a flat surface to a ceramic bowl using a silicone-made tool. That will be all for today. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks again for watching.